welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, how the heck are you? My name is Tandy. So the last time we left off, I had showed you guys a grocery haul. I feel like I showed you guys what I'm buying, but does any of this stuff taste good? I've been doing this a couple weeks now, so I kind of got a feel for what I like and what I don't like. I'm gonna show you guys some really good vegan alternatives. I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me to becoming vegan. Veganism itself is a process. I really want to show you guys what I've found that is, my opinion, really flavorful. I've actually let some of my non-vegan friends, carnivore stands, okay, I've let them try some of these meals and they were shook. Okay, so we're gonna get into that. I just woke up, so it's time for breakfast. Before I even eat anything for the day, I have to make myself a chai latte, because period. So let me show you guys how I make that. Okay, so this is everything that I am going to need for my chai latte. I use this, I don't even know how to say it. Is it Tazo, I don't know, but I'm gonna shake that up just a little bit. Forgot to. I really just eyeball all of this stuff. I like mine really strong. I am not a baker, you guys, okay? I am a cooking enthusiast, so I just look at and that's how I do my measurements. Ooh. Okay, so this is my Almond Breeze creamer, and shout out to my girl Whitney for this cup. I am ready to sip. Okay, let's first take some plant butter and put that into a pan. And I'm going to take these Morningstar Farms maple flavor sausage patties. Baby, these things be hitting, okay? You need to try these. And that's just on period. Okay, I'm gonna put the sausage patty in the air fryer, though. I'm not gonna cook it in the butter. I'm actually going to use that butter to make some vegan eggs. I know, sounds crazy, right? But these are just eggs. They're already, you know, liquid, obviously, because it's vegan. Wow. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glam to my eggs, aka seasonings. You see how the texture is just a little bit different than normal eggs? I've been cooking with these eggs for a little while now, and the texture isn't bad in comparison to real eggs. Okay, we're going to turn all of this that we've been cooking into a sandwich. So I'm going to toast my English muffin. This is a multi-grain English muffin by Killer Dave. A lot of time there's milk found in a lot of these processed breads. If you are interested in becoming vegan, you want to make sure that you check out the ingredients and everything. Dave's Killer Bread is totally organic and they don't have any type of dairy, so it is a vegan option. And because of the power of editing, it is now lunchtime. Love that for us. For lunch, I wanted to kind of keep it a little bit lighter since my breakfast was a little bit more heavy. I'm just going to have some rice cakes with that same hummus and guacamole mix that you saw me use on my multi-grain toast this morning. Jazz it up a little bit though and add in some flax seeds and crushed red pepper. I really like spicy things, so this is definitely a snack or a meal that is a little bit more on the spicier side, so just adjust the spice level to your liking, of course. You can literally put anything on these rice cakes. Rice cakes are so bomb for something quick. These are unsalted brown rice. Don't say nothing about my nails. I know they look different and busted right now, but that's what I've been working on today, is my hair and my nails, okay? Okay, so next I'm going to show you guys an amazing grilled cheese sandwich. Vegan style, of course. Since I don't have any pico, because I've talked about my love for pico on this channel, but I'm going to add a little bit of hummus. This is a spicy southwestern hummus. And the star of the show is this provolone cheese that I got from Whole Foods, a cheese substitute. So just gonna place that on there. Smush that together, and then I'm going to put this in the George Foreman. Okay, and I see the green light, so that means that my sandwich here is ready. Woo. When I say that this vegan cheese tastes just like real provolone, like, oh my gosh, so good. And a little veggie moment. That is dinner. I hate straight hair on me. Straight hair and me just don't vibe. Thank you so much. If you made it all the way to the end, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, would you try any of these meals? I'm curious. Even if you are someone who eats meat, would you be open to trying some of these vegan meals that I've prepared today? I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. Make sure, if you are not already, subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell too, because you know YouTube be unsubscribing people all the time. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.